Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the Bluetooth pairing test of the Realme Buds Air 2. So we're going to see how it actually works with different devices. So we have an Android device here and the iPhone here. So we'll be seeing what all functionalities do you get on both of them. We'll be testing if this is compatible with dual pairing. So will it work with two phones at the same time? And what is the pairing process? We'll be looking at all of that. So this does come with extra software which controls some of the functions. So we'll be taking a look at the software also. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Now to pair this, it's actually quite easy. You have a pairing button here, this one. So open it up, keep the pairing button pressed, and you will see the white light come up, and that's it. It's in pairing mode. You can search for it on any phone and it will show up in the Bluetooth menu, and then you can just pair it. But that's the simple process. Now I want to use it with the software. So ideally what people do is they pair it first and then install the software and then try to add it, and then they have a little bit of problems. So what you should do is let's just switch it off right now. Let's go into the software. So the software is named Realme Link. Open that up. Okay, let's go ahead and add a device. So let's go and press this plus button here. Okay, look. So it will give me options here, what all devices you have. I'll go into audio. Now this is the one that I have, Realme Buds Air 2. I'll choose that, and then it'll tell me to do the same thing, the pairing process. Now I'll open this up. Okay, open this up, keep it pressed for 2 seconds, and it's in pairing mode. Next, now it will start searching, and it found the buds. I choose that, pair, and once it's paired, you'll see that the LED will stop blinking. Done, and it's paired. So with this, now you actually let's just see the software first. So you actually get the option of battery of all the things. So you have the left earbud, right earbud, and the case. So good. You have the noise control. So you have transparency, normal, and noise cancellation mode here. You have the sound effects. So with this, you actually have customized sound. So you can create, you can choose between these three. But that's all the customization you can do. You cannot, there's no equalizer here. So you have bass, boost plus, you have balanced, and you have bright. Then you have the volume enhancer. So this is actually quite good. I didn't think this is going to be that great, but this makes the earphone very loud. So in case you want the earphone to be very loud, this is a good option, but the battery life will go down a little. Then you have the gaming mode option here, and in-ear detection. So if you remove the earbud, it will automatically pause whatever you are watching, and when you put it back, it should automatically start. Auto answer, I don't switch that on, but if you get a call, it will automatically answer. I don't want that setting. Bluetooth settings, so let's see that. So now you have the button settings. So in button settings, you have individual setting for both the earbuds. So this is for the left one, this is for the right one. So 3 settings, double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. So these 3 settings can be set. So these are individual, and then you have a combined one, left and right combined. So you can put something like a voice assistant or whatever, you can put that over here. So that is all. That's all the setting that you get for this. Now we'll try to connect it with the iPhone now. So let's keep this aside. Open up the software here. It's Realme Link. Agree, got it. Okay, it'll ask me to log in to my account. Okay, so I logged in to the account over here. Now I will see the Realme Buds Air 2 over here too. So you see, because it was connected there, so it will show up here, but that does not mean that if I choose here, it will connect. So if I just open this, hit connect, you see connection failed. It did not connect to it. It connected automatically to the Android one. Now I want to connect it over here. I don't have to do anything on the software. What I have to do is basically I have to go into the Bluetooth setting. Here I will reset my device. Okay, white blinking light, done. Realme Buds Air 2, and I choose that, and it is connected. So now if I go back to the software, okay, it's done. So now you see it is working here, and it's no longer connected here. So that's how this actually works. So it does not work with, even though you have a software here, you do not have multiple pairing and all that option. Let me try connecting here again. You see, it did not connect. So this does not support two devices. You cannot connect two phones to it at the same time. The software is just to control the functions on the earphone. Other than that, it will not do anything else. So let's see what all options do we have. So we have the same options. So we have the battery life of the earphone and the case. We have the noise control, the mode switching, sound effects, same three options: volume enhancer, gaming mode, in-ear detection, auto answer, and the button settings. So if you look at both of them, the Android app and the iPhone app, you get the exact same setting. So there's nothing more, nothing less. So that's something good. A lot of earbuds do not have the same functions on both the OS. Now, if you want to connect it back to the other phone, now it's not that simple. You cannot just put it in pairing mode and then connect over here. It will not work. You will have to go through the basic way. So let me just show you. So if I want to connect it here now, even if I do a reset here again and then try to connect here, it will not connect. It will keep trying, but it says connection failed. Now ideally, without the softwares, you can always just go into the Bluetooth setting, put it into pairing mode, or switch off the Bluetooth here. It will show up over there in the Bluetooth settings and then do it. But the software doesn't recognize it. So there's some glitch over there. So now let me just show you how to actually connect it now. So you have to go into the Bluetooth settings. You will see the Realme Buds Air 2 there. You just select that and it gets connected. Once it gets connected there, in the software it shows up. Now the same way, if I want to do it here also on the iPhone, all I have to do is reset it, keep it pressed for 2 seconds, it's reset, go into the Bluetooth settings and choose that over there. Now it gets connected. Now it will show up on the software. So that's how it works. So that part is a little confusing. I mean, the software itself does not detect it even though the device was already connected on it. So that's something, I think it's a glitch. It may be fixed in the future, but for now, you know how it actually works. If you have any doubts, you can go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in a different language like Malayalam or Hindi, then I have 2 other channels. I'll be putting the links for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.